I know I don't have a lot of time left on my battery here. The Studebaker is back. I was taking some video of it and recording it, going through and getting the best pictures that I can of it. Got the hood open finally, and now battery is charging. I got to get it cleaned up, washed down, get the scent of the 4-year stay over that it had. But other than that, it is so far going good. I am glad to have the car here now. It's weird to have a meaningful conversation with the car. I don't know if that's just me, but yeah, I can have a meaningful conversation with the car. And it is kind of fun. It's rare. I don't know how I'm going to get it done, when we're going to get it done, but little by little, day by day, we'll get each part done and get her back on the road. There's Caleb's prayer coming up on the 17th of May, I believe, and it is in Bradley and for cancer. And like I said, I'm going to try and get it ready for the 17th for Caleb's prayer and for cancer. So stick with me, and we'll get some more going. And yeah, so thanks guys for following along so far. She's home, she's back, and we've got some video of the car. And so what you see right now is what I'm working with.
God, what a car.
Tell from his voice it was time. I didn't have to read the words on the paper. He gave me a hug. He said, son, don't cry. I got one more thing to give you. He handed me the keys to his 64 Studebaker. She's been sitting so long, she might never run again. But I gotta try. And I hope he's with me, turning the wrenches and telling me what to do. When I hear him say, keep turning those bolts, son, you almost got it running. There's one more thing I need you to do. When I get that thing going again, I know I'm gonna feel him there riding with me, riding with me. When I get that thing going again, I know I'm gonna feel him there riding with me, riding with me. I finally got her running, she's rolling down the highway, and I can see a smile in the rearview mirror, and I hear him saying, I'm proud of you, son. And there's one more thing I need you to do. When you get to the house, park it in the driveway, leave it running for a while, come and see me, come and see me. He said, I gotta go now, son, there's one more thing I need you to do. Keep that thing running, keep it running. Keep that thing running, keep it running.